Welcome to 5121 Rowe Trail in Pace, Florida. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is just under 1,900 square feet, and it resides on almost half an acre in the community of Woodbine Springs Plantation. One of the things I love about this community, you'll notice all the mature trees and landscaping, as this is a very established neighborhood here in Pace, Florida. It is also located in Santa Rosa County school districts as well. Here we have a wonderful front sitting porch with all brick exterior. The sellers have done so many updates to this home. I'm really excited to show you all this home has to offer inside. Wonderful front sitting porch here. Lots of room. We do have a smart camera doorbell and a keyless entry on the front door. So coming into the foyer area, we do have new vinyl flooring. We have our bedrooms over here on the left-hand side, but first I want to take you over into the main living space. So this area here is a formal sitting area. It could be a home, office, or gym if you needed that additional living space. Coat closet over here on our left-hand side, which leads us into the living room with vaulted ceilings giving for a nice spacious feel. There are 2 skylights in here, allowing more natural light to come in. We do have a wood-burning fireplace as well. Just off of the living area, we do have the kitchen with a nice sized breakfast nook with some bay windows. All new fixtures throughout this home, new 2-inch blinds throughout. Again, we have this new beautiful vinyl flooring in the kitchen, and then the luxury vinyl tile throughout the main living area, and new carpet in all the bedrooms. So gorgeous kitchen here. We do have quartz countertops, an electric cooktop with built-in microwave, plenty of cabinet storage with a fridge and ice and water dispenser, as well as a pantry. So plenty of space in here. And then just off the kitchen, we do have a formal dining area. Crown molding in here, as well as chair molding going around in the dining room, which leads us back into our formal sitting room over there. All right. Since I'm over on this side, I'll give you a peek at the laundry room. This laundry room is just awesome. We have all this extra cabinet storage and in the corner as well, and a fold-down ironing board. Very convenient. And into the garage here, we have pull-down attic stairs for additional storage space and a brand new garage door opener. We also have a second back door here that leads out into the backyard, but I'll take you out through the screened enclosed area as well. Some additional storage up there. I really like this French door here, allowing natural light to go into the laundry room. All right, so over into the bedrooms. The primary suite is located on the back side of the house here. And the HVAC system in this home is just about 3 years old. So suitable for a king-size bed in here. We also have direct access to the screened enclosed patio. There is 1 closet here in the bedroom and then a walk-in here in the bathroom. And we do have a pocket door here closing off the bathroom to the bedroom. So all new shelving in all the closets, all new hardware on all the doors and drawers, newly faced bathroom countertops, and new granite countertops in both bathrooms. So just a wonderful setup here, and we do have tile in this bathroom as well. When I say all hardware, I mean all hinges, all toilet knobs everything has been switched out to brushed bronze. And there are new ceiling fans in the bedrooms as well. And into our second bedroom. Again, new carpet in here. Fresh paint throughout and new doors in all of on this side of the house in all the bedrooms and exterior doors as well. Into our hall bath. Refaced cabinetry in here, as well as new fixtures and new hardware with brand new granite countertops. And we do have a shower tub combo in here, which is great for the littles. And I did want to mention, I forgot to point it out when I was over in the primary bathroom. There is a smart fan that's been installed, so it plays music, which is pretty cool. It's got light controls and all sorts of fun stuff. So I thought that was a pretty cool thing that the sellers have went ahead and added to that. Nice little setup. New Honeywell thermostat. All right, let me take you out onto the screen enclosed patio. New doors again. I love this feature of these blinds because you can just pull them straight up and allow natural light to come in. And they don't make that sound on the door when you open and close like normal blinds. So fresh paint out here as well on the ground and ceilings. We have our access that leads to the primary suite. Floor to ceiling screens. It just gives that nice open spacious feel with nothing being blocked off on the bottom of the bottom half of the patio here. New exterior fan on the patio. And out here we do have an open lanai. Gutters on the home as well. Again, I just love this mature landscaping. We have towering oak trees, some pine trees back here. Fully fenced backyard with a privacy fence with a yard building. The exterior of the yard building has been freshly painted as well. There is a new side gate entry that was added too. So much potential back here. If you had interest in a swimming pool, you have plenty of room for a swimming pool. It's just gorgeous back here. And again, we have our yard storage building back over here. All right, I'll take you back inside and give you a peek at the kitchen one last time. And let us know if you have any questions about this one or you'd like to set up a showing. We'd love to show you this house. It does have an all brick exterior as well. Great and maintenance free. All right, this is 5121 Rowe Trail in Pace, Florida.